What's up, y'all? Back at it again with another one. It's your boy Carson Smith, aka Mr. Black Sheep. We're gonna get right into it with the brown hat everybody been asking for. But first and foremost, I'm gonna talk to the people that's not hip to the brand. The brand Black Sheep Creations is all about changing the negative connotation of the word black sheep to a positive. Everybody is their own black sheep in their own right. Everybody has something different to bring to the table. Everybody is unique in their own way. So this brand is all about embracing those differences instead of casting people to the side and making them an outcast. So let's get right into it with the brown hat, man. Let's go ahead and crack it open. Woo. As you can see, that thing is pretty. Get a close up on this logo. Established in 2022. For these brown hats, man, for this go around, I had to go ahead and put the logo on the side. People was liking the logo on the side of the black hats I did on the first go around, so I decided to, you know what I'm saying, hit y'all on the head and throw it on the second one, you feel me? On the back, we got "Don't Sleep." The people that do know, is the phrase is "Don't sleep on the sheep," you know what I'm saying? Do not sleep on the black sheep out here, you know what I'm saying? We next up. So first and foremost, you know, you got the nice, honey mustard color, real pretty. These hats are made out of suede, you know what I'm saying? Real good material, real good quality. I would never put out nothing that's bad quality for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Ever. Close up on that logo. Close up on that logo. Like I say, don't sleep. Bottom, real nice for y'all, you know what I'm saying? And one thing I do love about these hats is the brim. The brim is very versatile, so just as I can show you, if you bend the brim, it'll stay in place for you, you know what I'm saying? So it's a very nice brim, do everything you tell it to do, you know what I'm saying? So y'all keep that in mind. And I'll pull the black one out for y'all real quick. So there go the black one. Like I say, real good quality, real good stitching. You know. Alright, like I say, originally I was gonna only put the sheep on the side on the black ones, but the people loved it so much I had to go ahead, and feed the streets. Don't sleep on the back, don't sleep on the sheep. Y'all remember this, it's gonna be big. Real deal suede. Let's get them side by side. Real icy. Like I say, real good material, real good quality hats, man. I think I'm gonna bring these around, every year for y'all. Just pretty, man. It's real pretty. So, I guess I'll go ahead and model these for y'all. I'm looking a little crazy today, so bear with me, man. Don't get to roasting, because I roast back, you know what I'm saying? Do not get to roasting, because I will roast, you feel me? So let's get right into it, man. I hope y'all really like these hats for real, man. So that concludes the video. Tap into my Instagram, Black Sheep Creations LLC. Tap into my art Instagram, Carson256. Tap into the website. All the links will be in the description. I appreciate all the love, all the support, and until the next one.